Good morning, everyone. Yes, it is morning. Oh, and I am up and ready. I'm feeling a little funny. My daughter and I spent a lot of time laughing last night. I mean, they're gonna put an eviction notice on my dad on the door. That girl has me laughing so much. All she is a little me. It is so funny. Oh wow. But yesterday I had such a hard time with these teeth, and the pain was so bad. And then I got so angry because my daughter keeps saying, Mommy, you got to do this, you got to. And I'm like, girl, unless you know the pain I've been through. But have you ever reached a point where you're just tired of talking? So I told her, I said, I just need to stop talking. I just need to rest. So I'm on my way to CVS this morning. You know that stuff called Fixodent? I'm going to try to put my partial in the bottom. As you can see, I have no partial on. The bottom is absolutely all mine. But last night I took out the top and I started to shave it with a sandpaper. So it looks as if I got it good enough to where I can actually talk without cutting my lip. My lip was cut where two teeth were. And when I tell you it was painful, it was painful. I'm not going back to my dentist. Unfortunately, I love my dentist and everything, but it's time to move on. He is overworked and hopefully not underpaid, but he is clearly experiencing being overworked. So I said I'm not going to go back to him. And it has nothing to do with me being angry. I was going to get a lawyer and everything, but I said, you know what, I don't have time for stuff like that. I'm just going to work on doing it on my own. So Monday, I'm going to see if my caseworker can help me find a new dentist. And hopefully, but I can feel this lip dragging against two very sharp teeth. So I'm just going to do it. You see my signal on? Go ahead, ding ding. So ooh, wow! I just noticed what I did. So what? I just don't want the person thinking I'm going to hit them when I'm not. So I'm on my way to CVS. I'm going to try that fix that thing and see. I don't think I need it because they're actually fitted perfectly. The problem is where I have a missing tooth and they gave me a tooth. That bone is severely affected. So, but you know what? I'm so thankful for this red light here because I'm trying to make a decision. If I'm going to stop at the Dollar Tree, the Dollar Tree has some items that you can use in comparing to stuff you find at CVS, but I'm not sure this particular item would be something I would want to get from Dollar Tree. But I'm not going to lie, I am going to stop there and check just to make sure because it's something I never had to use before. But frugal is trying to save your budget where you can. Hope I didn't have my signal on. But I am going to see what they have there. I woke up this morning and I threw away one pillow because I have way too many pillows on my bed. So I said, I threw away one pillow. I made up my bed and all that other good stuff. And now I think I need a shower head, but it is what it is. When one thing falls, another thing falls, another thing falls. It's just like a domino effect. So I'm working on that. I did end up with a hustle and grind. Yes, I did end up with a hustle and grind. So I have some stuff coming tomorrow. My food comes. I went to Lidl yesterday and picked up a few things, which was basically food. So I will be cooking in a few days. I'm just resting now. My head feels, I don't know how to explain how my head feels, but I'm still in a daze for 7 days I spent in the hospital. So I'm just resting my mind right now. Oh, no, I'm not going to park there. I don't feel like going. Sometimes you gotta be away from other cars. Sometimes I don't have a problem walking. when I'm in pain and all the other stuff, but sometimes I prefer to be a little bit away from the main entrance. But I think my lip is actually being cut right now. So there goes that. I went into the Dollar Tree, and they have this tray that you can use for your steering wheel. And I said to myself, you know what? I have to treat myself to something. Now, I don't normally eat in my car because I don't like my steering wheel dirty. But, not that the car is the tidiest. But I purchased this because my daughter likes to stop at places to eat. So, and it's nice. It's nice for $5. And then I found out about the Mrs. Meyer's Dollar Tree version, and yes, it is $1.25, and I'm gonna smell it. Oh, definitely smells nice. They didn't have a large selection, but I did pick up the lavender and lilac, and the lemongrass and sage. And I really need to cut down on the cleaning supplies I have, but I wanted to try these two, and I'm not able to find the garlic and parsley together, but I did find parsley flakes, so I got the parsley flakes. But I have got to try this dish detergent. I absolutely love this dish detergent. This is supposed to be a high-end dupe. I don't remember which one it is, but it's definitely worth trying. And I'm going to try this without adding it or mixing it to anything else. But I'm going to sanitize my hand real quick, and hopefully I can get this jar open, and hope I can find my wipes. But I want to try something. I found these dill pickles, and I absolutely love pickles. But I want to see if I can actually bite into this pickle. It's not going to work for me. Oh, yes. There's nothing in this world like faith. Oh, goodness gracious. Ooh. It's a struggle. It's definitely a struggle. But I'm getting it. It's a struggle. I have to eat the pickle basically whole. There's a whole bunch of chunks, and I can't bite into them. Who does not like a dill pickle? I don't know how much more I have to suffer with my mouth like this. But these $1.25 pickles, I can rock with those. I'm gonna make it to CVS now. Take a picture of that. On my bottom partial, there's just one little teeny piece of bone. All it is bone, and I shaved, but I can't wear that. Absolutely not. I'm actually feeling my mouth because this is where the cut was. But my daughter's absolutely right. She said I need to buff it and then sand it. I can actually feel where I buffed it. It's dragging my lip now, which is gonna cause me some form of pain. But so far, I'm able to rock, girls and boys. Yes, I is. I was so, oh my goodness, today is going to be a good day. I'm just going to go to CVS and then I'm going to return home. I got to put this in this thing behind here. Oh, let's drop it right there for right now. You don't want to dilly-dally while you're driving. You don't want to be distracted while you're on the road. The road, the driver's license is a privilege. That's what I try to remind myself at all times. I don't want to be that person that gets on the road and gets distracted and think I can see the world because I say I can. Absolutely not. I don't like driving with people who say, oh, I'm not going to hurt you. You think I'm hurt myself? No, but I don't know anybody who got in an accident and killed somebody else who did it on purpose other than someone stupid enough to drink and drive. Let's just say it, just call it what it is. You got to be absolutely stupid to be under any influence of any kind and get behind the wheel. If you don't understand this dynamics of this humongous monstrosity of danger, you don't need a driver's license. Absolutely not. You don't need a driver's license. I have to go replace my handicap thing, so I'm parking away from the vehicle, and being that my car is at the dashboard, I'm making sure I park right where the damn camera is of the buildings of the store. So you shall see me in a few seconds because I'm going in and coming out. One thing I do not like to do is go through the store and look around. I don't have time for that. I have one agenda, and that's fixident, and that's it. That was easy enough. Oh, I just love this CVS thing. I picked up some straws because I have a coupon, and then I picked up my denture cream, and of course I got CVS brand because I get 20% discount if I buy it from CVS brand. So of course I did it. Now it's time to take it on home. I'm trying to figure out, I need to run another location. I wanted to get a sausage to cook. Not a sausage, Vienna sausages. I really wanted some Vienna sausages chopped up with some tomatoes and everything. And I don't think I'm gonna do it though. I'm having a hot flash, and I can't be driving with the window down and all that other junk. So this was about 40 minutes. I'm going to take this hot flash in the house. Of course I have a coat on. It's cold in New York, and for some reason my arms are cold now. They weren't cold before, but they're definitely cold now. But get out of this side. I was so tempted to get myself a Reese's Pieces cup, but I said no. I'm not gonna go in that store and pick up something that I know is not gonna help me, especially since my lip is feeling a little bit pain. So I'm just gonna go home and just try to do a little bit more sanding. But I should stop at another store to pick up a nail file. Are you trying to go across the street? To pick up a nail file that would help me, but there's not really too much I can do. I don't want to keep driving around for nothing. Tina, I put your video on yesterday, and I'm gonna put it on today. Someone's video. You were sitting at a table. You were painting or drawing. Your hair is beautiful. Your hair is absolutely beautiful. I couldn't see what was being done on the table. The camera was focused directly on the artist, but I put the video on today. I was in the kitchen doing something, so I just put the video on and let the video run this morning. I tend to do that for my followers, for people that I follow, and then later on, I just go over my history and find stuff that I want to watch or listen to or something like that. So today is just going to be a day of getting my mind to just rest, laugh like fools with my daughter. She is just so funny, and then pretty much nothing else. I'm preparing myself for summer. I did get a $100 money order in the mail today, so that was like boom. That makes a little over 200 extra that I saved on there. Now I'm working on putting aside $40 for just in case of anything, and making sure that anything in case of anything never happens for a very long time. So that's what I'm working on. That's another reason why I don't want to go to the store, because if I go to the store, I want to see this, I want to see this, I want to pick it up. The tray is one thing, but I feel so good. I feel so good getting that. I never was a spendthrift, but I feel so good because when I was in the hospital, I made 3 bracelets, 2 or 3 bracelets, I don't know, and I felt really relaxed and everything. So I wanted to do some bracelets. So I put my shopping cart together and did everything I had to. Oh, no, you don't have a new car. No, Missy, we gotta talk. I gotta help my neighbor. She has a lot of groceries and stuff, so she has a lot of groceries and stuff. So I'm gonna end this video and go help my neighbor. Oh, she has a vehicle and she has a parking space. What? And I can't say nothing, but see, these people are listening. They are listening when they come to me. Oh, wow. I gotta get out the car now. My neighbor's there. Bye-bye.